Market daily visualization for July 14th, 2026. We'll adjust the price, slight gain, the daily range, and inside day. So the high of the day, the working low of the day, the no real change to the extension of the SMA 30, the middle of the river. We'll adjust the PSARs. Those are the stops. The 5-day look back. The 5-day low doesn't change. The 10-day look back. The 10-day low changed. As things tighten up all over. The 10-period regression line. The slope is still up, but it started to diminish a little bit. The 30-day look back. The 30-day low didn't change. The 20-period regression line lagged by 10, still sloping down. Double bottom support there. The 120-day regression line lagged by 3 is there. The 150-day look back is adjusted. The daily price reference bar. And there we are. Still chugging along inside the yellow zone, the 10-day yellow zone, trying to feel its way forward in the dark.